Popular essential oils. When planning to use essential oils, the biggest question is what essential oils to buy first. You can usually base this decision on each particular recipe you find, but it's best to have some essential oils on hand. Here are some of the most common ones with a brief explanation of why you should have them. Cinnamon oil. Cinnamon is an herb that originated in Central Asia and was widely used in healing treatments throughout India and Sri Lanka. It's good for more than flavoring your cider and giving your holiday decorations a burst of seasonal scents. It boosts brain function, increases blood circulation, and helps your body fight off infection. Use cinnamon oil to repel mosquitoes as well. Studies have shown that it's effective in killing larvae. Eucalyptus oil. One of the most common essential oils used by nearly everyone is eucalyptus. You might have been using it for years without realizing it. This oil is found in a number of household, health, and beauty products because it's a powerful agent for clearing up a respiratory illness. It can calm a cough, make your scratchy throat feel better, and help eliminate lung congestion. Just keep in mind that this essential oil is extremely potent, so be sure to keep it away from your eyes. Frankincense oil. Frankincense essential oil is known to be great for your skin, and it's also considered to have spiritual properties with many mental and emotional benefits when used properly. It is used in many topical recipes as well as in a diffuser. Grapefruit oil. Some of the most common essential oils come from citrus fruits, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help you fight disease. Grapefruit oil suppresses appetite if inhaled right before a meal and can help with your weight loss plans. Drop a bit into your tea or add it to a smoothie. It has also been useful as an antidepressant. Use it in a diffuser or dilute it and spray on your linens. Lavender oil. One of the most popular essential oils, lavender has a beautiful effect on your mind, body, and skin. It's used to help you find balance and peace, and it can also take care of bruises, cuts, and rashes, and other skin irritations. Its properties will help you cleanse, whether it's something physical, emotional, or spiritual that needs elimination. For help with sleeping, drop a bit of lavender oil on your pillow or rub it on your wrists. To stop the pain of an insect bite or a burn, put a bit of lavender oil directly on your skin. It can also treat dandruff if you massage it into your scalp. Lemon oil. Lemon essential oil is known to improve metabolic functioning and provide an energy boost, rejuvenating in a bath. It's also an insect repellent and a natural cleaner. Lemon essential oil is even known to help brighten skin, so it makes a great addition to many topical recipes. Oregano oil. Oregano essential oils are high in phenol, which means it's highly effective in cleansing receptor spots of the body. It's most commonly used in the raindrop technique for healing. In this process, several drops of oregano essential oil are put on the spine and massaged into the back, which is good for muscle tension and pain and also strengthens your immune system. It contains a number of antioxidant properties. Physically, it will open up your respiratory system and help you breathe. Mentally, it can induce feelings of safety and security. Peppermint oil. Commonly used as part of some cold remedies, peppermint essential oil can help soothe inflammation in various parts of your body. You won't want to be far from your peppermint oil when you have a stomach problem. Whether it's indigestion, nausea, or cramping, peppermint can have an immediate and lasting effect on any digestive or gastrointestinal distress. Add a drop of peppermint oil to your tea or water to help with digestion. Peppermint essential oil contains a lot of nutrients and minerals, such as vitamin C and potassium. It's one of the oldest essential oils used today, and the relative ease with which oil can be extracted from the peppermint leaves and bark makes it abundant. Put it in your bathwater to enjoy the aromatherapy and relax your nerves. You can also rub a bit of peppermint oil into your temples to chase away a headache. Rosemary oil. Extracted from a Mediterranean herb that's popular with Italian and Greek cooking, rosemary oil has more to offer than culinary delights. It's excellent for hair care, stimulating follicle growth, and can be used with shampoo. It also has a positive effect on your mood and provides a burst of energy. Try inhaling it when you're studying, trying to focus on a project, or just need an adrenaline jolt. Rose oil. Rose essential oils are yet another popular kind of essential oil. It can be used to reduce inflammation and treat wounds. Many people prefer the fragrance of this oil as it soothes them and helps brighten up their mood. For this reason, this essential oil often finds its way to perfumes. It's particularly useful for women as it can help with the pain associated with premenstrual cramping and help regulate hormones during menopause. Sage oil. There are several health and cosmetic benefits of using sage essential oils, to the point that beauty products often advertise that they contain sage oil. It acts as an anti-inflammatory substance and has been used as a digestive medicine. In addition, it is known for its antimicrobial properties and makes a good cleansing agent. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can help treat skin conditions, and it's a powerful antimicrobial. You should never take it by mouth, though, because it can be toxic. Tea tree oil has nearly 100 compounds, making it one of the most common and effective essential oils. Use it to treat dandruff, lice, acne, ringworm, or herpes. These are just some of the most common essential oils used by people all over the world. When you buy them, be sure to follow any specific instructions for use. Remember that they are very powerful and heavily concentrated, so a little goes a long way. If you're working with oil you've never used before, it's best to start with a small quantity and slowly add to it if you feel you need more.